The Belagavi railway station, one of the oldest railway stations in India, built in 1881, has been redeveloped with a special focus on upgrading passenger amenities at a cost of rupees 190 crores. The 4-story modern station building comprises air-conditioned retiring rooms, waiting lounges, food courts and ticket booking counters. For the benefit of senior citizens and Divyang passengers, all the platforms are connected with lifts, escalators and ramps which allows passengers to move comfortably throughout the station. There is a concourse to enable congestion-free movement of passengers and space dedicated for commercial activities. Parking space for 2- and 4-wheeler vehicles is clearly demarcated. To decongest the main entry, a second entry is provided at Shastri Nagar side. The new coaching depot will enable new trains to originate from Belagavi, thereby enhancing connectivity between North Karnataka and South Maharashtra.